Right, starting with that high-profile crime which the Mumbai police claims to have cracked, saying that the 25-year-old lawyer Pallavi Purkayastha was murdered by the security guard of her apartment.
The security guard of the apartment building where she lived has been arrested after he confessed to the murder. Identified as Sajjad Pathan, he reportedly told the police that he killed her simply because she had yelled at him a few days back. Pathan said he decided to attack her at night as he knew she was alone. Pallavi was found dead by her live-in partner in their 16th floor apartment in central Mumbai's Wadala area on Thursday. Alright, for more, let's get in a word from our Mumbai Bureau Chief Smita Nair. She's joining us live this morning. Smita, tell us the latest.
Simi, here's what we've learned from the police. One, that Pallavi Purkayastha, who was living in that building, had complained of a power outage or a power cut in her building late in the night. She's believed to have called the watchman of the building asking for an electrician to be sent up to her room. We understand it was this security guard, Sajjad Pathan, who accompanied the electrician to her house. We understand the power was restored. The electrician, the police say, left. But this man continued to be there. There was an altercation between the two that took place about a fortnight ago, and Sajjad Pathan says that he was in a state of rage when he went to Pallavi's house, and he was wanting to seek revenge, as he's believed to have told the police during that confession, which is why he attempted to attack her. There are two conflicting reports coming in from police sources, one suggesting that he attempted to rape her, and when she resisted his advances, he found a kitchen knife and slit her throat and subsequently stabbed her several times. The autopsy report, of course, will confirm just what were the nature of those injuries, but this is the prima facie report that's coming in from the police and the medical examiner.
That's right. And Smita, what kind of reactions really coming in? This is a Wadala central area in Mumbai, and considering the fact that the reason and the motive for the murder is perhaps what's most shocking.
Absolutely. This is in fact one of the safest areas in Mumbai. Mumbai, of course, unlike its metropolitan counterparts, Delhi is considered to be a relatively safer city for women. So the fact that this can happen not in a far-flung area of Mumbai, but bang in the heart of the city in central Mumbai, in Wadala, that building Himalayan Heights is one of the posh buildings in the Wadala location. This lady living on the 16th floor of that particular building. People in the building, in fact, say that they knew she was living there with her boyfriend, Avik Sengupta, who is also a lawyer, who in fact had come in that morning and is believed to have discovered the body and found the door ajar, was completely shocked with what had happened. Some neighbors saying that the couple didn't really speak to too many people in the building. They were a busy couple in their 20s, both of them 25 and 26 years of age. She's believed to be in fact working for one of the production houses as an in-house legal expert. So certainly shocking that.